How to create a slide to shutdown shortcut in Windows 11. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to create a simple shortcut to slide down to shut the computer. So the option will appear just like you do it on a mobile phone. So let's get started and see this interesting option. So what you can do is just right click on the desktop screen and select the new option and click on shortcut and simply paste this command in the location that I'll link in the description. So just copy and paste it right here and click on next and just click on finish, and you can see nothing happened, right? You just have to access the shortcut and this will open up this one, slide to shut down your PC. And as you can see, the arrow is navigated downwards. So when we click scroll downwards, it will shut down our PC. So pretty convenient, right? So just copy and paste the command that I used in the description of this video. So hopefully you find this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that I can see you in the next one.